To watch Love Island USA live on Peacock, sign up for Peacock Fest on peacocktv.com. Enter your email and select the plan from Premium or Premium Plus. The Premium plan starts at $7.99 USD per month, and the Premium Plus starts at $13.99 USD per month. The show airs daily at 9 p.m. Eastern Time or 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, except on Wednesdays. To vote and access exclusive content, download the Love Island USA app from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. If you're watching outside of the US, choose a VPN with fast streaming speeds and US servers. Connect to the US server and open the app or browser on the Peacock website. However, using a VPN might violate Peacock's terms of service, so ensure compliance with local laws and service agreements.